What's cracking, guys? We have another vertical bathroom update. This one is very special, very near to me. You might be wondering, who is Ben Knudsen? And today I'm going to answer that question. The answer is, it was about a couple months ago, and I was just cruising through YouTube looking for new tricks and new tutorials, and I stumbled across a magic channel that had like 10 subscribers or something like that. This guy named Ben Knudsen. And his videos were very well edited, they were very well stitched together, and he was a really good flipper, and he had lots of unique tricks and unique things that I'd never really seen before. Anyway, so I left a comment saying, cool, or something like that, and I went on my way. And then months later, we meet again, and now he has the opportunity. You have the opportunity to see him in all his glory. He's going to be making tutorials for me. He is a better flipper than I am. He is a better video editor than I am. He is a super cool guy. And for that reason, he's going to be making tutorials. Also because I'm busy. But for the next couple months, probably, he's going to be doing stuff for me and for you. And I'm very excited to reveal him into the spotlight. You would have seen his tutorial last week, but his channel and his Instagram are going to be in the description. So if you haven't got a chance to check him out, definitely recommend it. He's got some cool stuff, but he doesn't have that much stuff. But there's going to be more stuff on my channel, which I'm super excited about. So anyways, in a couple hours, I'm going to be posting another tutorial from him. So stay tuned for that. I'm just finishing up like the little edits and stuff like that. But yeah, super excited to bring you Ben Knudsen. He's the new Big Flips. You can call him Bigger Flips if you want to. Yep, so that's it. I'll catch you guys later. But for now, he is me. And so you can direct all questions and all answers will be from him and to him. So, peace.